Hello and welcome to the system test. Today we have the ceiling mount ones, where I do have the wall mount ones set up for next system test. But here we have a system sensor mast, which of course is not a ceiling mount because I don't have a ceiling mount mast right now, but I don't really care. And then I have the BG-8 right here, and then if I go in here and I walked right by it, I have the ADA mast in the ceiling, and then I connected a 2098 to the system. But of course, I don't have smoke saber right now, so I can't really do anything with that. And then of course, this is all being run by the fire shield. So here it is, firelight. So now I'm literally just gonna push the drill button. That's pretty much going to be it for this system test. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.